Bab al-Ma'asi min amri al-Jahiliyyah. Chapter: Sins are from ignorance, and a sinner is not a disbeliever unless he worships others along with Allah Azza wa Jal. حدثنا سليمان بن حرب قال حدثنا شعبة عن واصل الأحدب عن المعرور قال لقيت أبا ذر بالربذة وعليه حلة وعلى غلامه حلة فسألته عن ذلك فقال إني ساببت رجلا فعيرته بأمه فقال لي النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم يا أبا ذر أعيرته بأمه إنك امرؤ فيك جاهلية إخوانكم خولكم جعلهم الله تحت أيديكم فمن كان أخوه تحت يده فليطعمه مما يأكل وليلبسه مما يلبس ولا تكلفوهم ما يغلبهم فإن كلفتموهم فأعينوهم. Narrated al-Ma'rur at Ar-Rabada. I met Abu Dhar, who was wearing a cloak, and his slave too was wearing a similar one. I asked about the reason for it. He replied, I abused a person by calling his mother with bad names. The Prophet said to me, O Abu Dhar, did you abuse him by calling his mother with bad names? You still have some characteristics of ignorance. Your slaves are your brothers and Allah has put them under your command. So whoever has a brother under his command should feed him of what he eats and dress him of what he wears. Do not ask them, slaves, to do things beyond their capacity, power. And if you do so, then help them. Al-Shaykh Hafiz Muhammad Iqbal, may Allah protect him, has compiled the verification of this hadith. In various books on this subject, he found a total of 16 narrations from Al-Ma'rur radiyallahu anhu. The references for these hadiths are being documented in detail.
Thank you for visiting our Sirat Mustaqeem channel. To listen to the English translations of hadiths from Sahih Bukhari, where the sayings of all the narrators have been compiled along with their references, kindly subscribe to our channel. Jazakallah khair.